Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a kara chutney, that is spicy chutney at your home for idli, dosa, parota, chapati, rice. So let's start the recipe. So this is basically a hotel chutney guys. So here I took some shallots, small onion, and here I took one big onion, and here I chopped some garlic. What I'm going to do, take a kadai. In this, I'm going to add 5 to 6 green chilies and 4 red chilies. So, I'm going to add the red chilies. So, up to your choice, how much spice you want. And in this, I'm going to add some green chilies. So, I'm going to cover this one with a lid. So, in this, I'm going to add these shallots, the small onion, garlic, everything. And I'm going to mix all these things together. So we have to mix all these things together. So we have to cook this one for 2 to 3 minutes, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this chopped tomato. I took one big tomato guys. So yeah, and I'm going to mix all these things together. So this is the best chutney for idli, dosa. And in this, I'm going to add a piece of tamarind. Here I'm adding this tamarind, which gives the tangy taste in this chutney. So we have to cook until the tomato is nicely cooked. In this, I'm going to add some salt. Up to your taste how much salt you want in your chutney. So you can keep this chutney in the fridge for 1 week guys. So after adding the salt, we have to mix all the things together, and it's time to switch off the flame. So when it becomes cool down, we have to grind it in the blender. I put it in the blender. I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth paste. I'm not going to add any water guys, because we added the tomato. It contains some water. So yeah, so I'm going to grind this one. So I grind it in the blender guys. Take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. And this, so I added the paste in this, and here I clean this blender, and I'm using the same water. So the kara chutney will be ready in 5 minutes. So after adding this water, we have to cook this one for 5 minutes until it absorbs all the water, and the chutney started become thick. So yeah, it's time to prepare dosa. So the hotel kara chutney is ready guys. Can you see how it looks? Very tasty. And here I'm making the crispy dosa. So dosa, and here is the kara chutney is ready guys, and it's very crispy. Dosa is very crispy, and I'm going to taste this one. Very tasty guys, and little bit spicy also. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make kara chutney at your home for dosa and idli, rice, chapati. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.